Today we learned how to divide using the partial quotient strategy. This is taking the same skills that we were using with our area model, and it is very similar to the standard algorithm. So, for example, in 984 divided by 7, you have your normal division sign, and then we draw a line down the side. Then you think about one number at a time. We said, how many times can 7 go into 9? One time. We left off 2 digits because this is 900, so we put our 2 zeros on the end here. 100 times 7 is 700, so we subtracted 700 and we got 284. Then we said, okay, how many times can 7 go into 2? We said, well, 7 cannot go into 2, so we had to add the 8. Then we said, how many times does 7 go into 28? 4 times. And we left off 1 digit, so we needed to add 1 zero. 40 times 7 is 280. We subtracted and we got 4. 4 is smaller than our divisor of 7, so this is our remainder. We circle it. We added up what we did over here, and we got 140. And our final step was to write our answer with our remainder on top. And we talked about keeping the quotient in line with the dividend. We also discussed how, so we did 638 divided by 4. 4 goes into 6 one time, 2 digits left off, that's 100. 100 times 4 is 400. We subtracted. 4 cannot go into 2, so we had to add the 3. 4 goes into 23 5 times. We left off 1 digit, so there's our 0. 50 times 4 is 200. We subtracted and we got 38. Now, we debated on between if this could go in 8 or 9 times. So we said, what if we did say 8? 8, well, first of all, we said, can 4 go into 3? No, so then we had to add the 8, so 38. So we did 8 times 4 is 32, and we subtracted and we got 6. And we said, oh, well, 6 is bigger than our divisor, so we're not done. Some kids wanted to circle this and say that they were done, but a big thing to remember is that this cannot be bigger than our divisor. So then we said, okay, well, we have 6. How many times can 4 go into 6? Just one time. 1 times 4 is 4, so we subtract and we are left with 2. Now we have a smaller number. This is our remainder. We add it up, 159, remainder 2. So that's a cool thing about this strategy is if they don't quite get the right number, they can just keep going.